How to send USDT from Binance to Binance. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to send USDT from Binance to Binance. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Binance application on your device. Make sure to log into your account and then you have to verify your identity. Once you verify your identity, in the place of portfolio at bottom right corner, you will get wallets. Simply you have to select that and go to sports section to view your available crypto. After that, you have to find and select USDT and tap withdraw. Binance will give you two options. Choose the second option to transfer directly to another Binance user. On the send mode page, choose how you want to send the USDT options. Include email, phone number, or your user ID. For example, if you select email, enter the recipient's Binance account email. Now you have to input the amount of USDT you want to send, and now you can add a note for the recipient if desired. Once done, tap the send button, and that's it. Your USDT will be sent to the other Binance user without any fees. If was helpful, then please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.